All the leader ready from there. Must think it's a breast. The breast is suck one, man.
I must say one of the prettiest dumpling that Mr. Rasta roll.
Back out
3
the
by
side.
7 back.
My God.
Rasta, you beautify up the place.
All weird. See that?
That is it, man. It's a good look. So you're ready for going in the kitchen?
Right now.
You know what we have here today?
When the sun can come, red and rain,
Yeah.
beetroot, carrot, flour, anything on the can come. The Rasta is here to produce anything on the can come. I don't afraid that nothing on the can come. We don't want to can, 2 things on the can go over here. No pork and no veggie chunks can come across the border here. Right.
Yeah. As you said, veggie chunks, remember say the competition. Remember say the competition and Saturday.
I do business competition
right.
and no veggie chunks cannot beat me.
Alright then. Peeps, just in case you don't know, give you a look out. Spoiler alert, them have a Rasta cook-off coming this Saturday. Yeah?
With ram goat and veggie chunks.
Yeah.
So we know say if veggie chunks are gonna flop.
And that's your ball up on the veggie chunks.
We don't deal with chunks.
I'm up on the goat team still.
Yeah, chunks are dog food, you know.
Some people are cat food.
And a cat food. So we don't know when they can come to Rasta eat it for. But this a Rasta now eat none. I call this in the bag.
Yeah.
So look like this can go on with today. We don't have to make up now.
Yeah, we don't have to get another smoke here. See it, yeah? You see,
This
see where the mountain where you're sweet, yeah?
Check that.
See, yeah? And it is so sweet.
This.
Mutton sweet, him.
I mean, I don't get mutton, we don't have it mutton like this. I like this, but this is red herring. Nothing done wrong with the red herring.
Eat this, Rasta.
A good one, nominate no red herring.
Aki will go well with this.
Eh? I went like me a theory after that, so I like
herring.
him type of boss on me, so Aki shot.
Sorry, so Aki never the right now, you know?
Aki never find cheap, but then already.
Yeah. You have some people in Rasta. Razor blade, them up with them with that.
You're mad, man. You're mad. That's why I no buy Aki at all.
Yeah, my wicked thing, you know?
Me no buy Aki at all.
You have to drink busy tea. I try to get to the price.
Alright, now watch you now. We have to catch the fire first.
You say I catch the fire?
Yeah, because this have the scar off.
I want skin on this.
I want skin to come off, so I catch up some fire.
Fiddly, boy, them ugly now, man. You don't know anything of fiddly.
A fish still, you know.
But fiddly don't know it. You ever eat rather in it fiddly? Be honest. Not worry yourself, man. Quiet, Rasta.
They might look at them cold, they're not wet.
So no cold in them, they no must cold.
And that's why them cold, so.
You think a fire stick them, cold.
Firewood me talk about, me not talk about no fire
stop
stick.
Stop that.
Firewood the people them used to.
Fire stick.
Wood. We not used to fire stick. Stick can't burn fire.
So make stubborn. Make cold.
Firewood. Wood. Log wood.
No stick them burn turn no cold.
No, I was sticking in cold. Because no stick can't go in there.
A stick, man.
A be a big good.
Oh, why?
Yeah.
Why?
Be a big good and then burn down to this. Let me tell you another.
Be a big stick.
Be a big wood. Log wood, pimenta wood, sweet wood,
and radwood.
Mango wood and radwood too. And rad out them.
Where do?
Yeah, yeah.
What you say do?
And the wood we use radwood when I fire.
What you say do?
Rad them out to the wood.
What's happened to redder in the head?
Why do want me? Redder in the head no feet. No, sir. But I know nothing.
Night.
No, sir.
Not active.
True, man. I like to, you know. Oh, you like you eat it? Redder in head?
Yo, this hard fish.
Let me see it. Go ahead, ugly man.
You cherry it. I want a hard fish.
Redder no ugly something. No, it's a fish, bad man.
A fish.
A fish, you
You
know.
know a fish, boy, ugly.
But Rasta,
That's a thing now.
you see me?
Yeah.
You're nervous about Saturday? We just ask you
You know, say he's a country boy. But nervous. Just look at me there, house there.
So you're nervous?
Nervous, who are?
What happened Saturday?
He said, you want no cherry I go answer.
A Rasta cook off.
They say they have 2 Rasta I go cook. Rasta Dodo and
Sagled.
Sagled. That's a Wayne. Wayne named Sagled out the road. So 2 of him I go cook veggie chunk and me I go cook goat. So who I go beat him? Alright, no wifey, alright. All the leader ready from there. So you don't know say Sagled out of your business.
So Rasta, we're gonna make you bring over Mama Cherry one, yeah?
You no problem with that.
So Mama Cherry, you want some of my chunks?
No, you're mad.
You know the chunks, Mama? So how you gonna grade them properly?
Yeah, but we need an honest grade.
Alright, why you taste it? So next time I come and tell you how it go, yeah.
Yeah.
No, me not.
You know, bring no wallet. Just a look
not-
out,
You have
small
to taste it
portion.
with
Yes,
the
with
piece.
Yeah, idiot. Me not taste no chunks.
No man, we can't hear. We enough for test the goat too, you know. So we need
Yeah, man, say
we
not
need the
test no
2 hour
goat.
honest
If
review.
you taste it good, you taste the chunks.
Yeah, if you do that.
Alright then. So
Alright.
you hear that, Wayne?
Alright.
Let me tell you now. You know, one time you know you used to. I mean, I say what you are. I mean, I like how it tastes. I mean, I buy no.
You used to eat it?
Yeah, he used to
Ah,
taste it.
Okay.
Okay.
No ready, brother.
So you used to eat the dog food.
Me?
You got the post food ever, you used to eat it.
I know, me never eat it also 3, 4, 5 times.
Time, no.
Alright. One time you can come and take and take.
So the animal, they eat the animal more than the chunks then.
When me a picnic.
Yeah. You know, if you ball out when you're picking, you know,
Yeah,
they said
man.
you eat it, you know.
It don't matter. No man, picnic,
No man,
picnic a big
in
man, I do
digestive
different thing.
system, his stomach grow up and change
when
now
you're
man.
picnic.
When you are picnic,
You
you
can't
no, when your
provide.
parents give anything, you cannot refuse it.
Yeah, for real.
You have to take what they give. Cause where you go to? Got your bed hungry?
Hey, when I first thing we used to get when me eat in the restaurant, you know?
Only one thing my mother did.
Rasta,
Eh,
you know me eat the most? Porridge.
me never eat porridge. But you know what me
Listen,
did eat
I don't
when
like
my
the
mother
porridge.
say, you might look for something in the kitchen. Turn Camille, cause no cure she look about that. Me ball me the whole time and say you cook dog food. Me not eating that until today. Me don't eat turn Camille.
Eh?
For me
So
ball.
you don't cook it for each other?
Yeah, me not cook it.
So you don't
me only-
taste it?
Taste what, man?
From a, no, but if you are
Rasta,
prepare
say
it.
you always taste some boobs, so cook some ton
I feel like if you prepare the right way, yeah.
And we have one two
Listen
steam
me now.
fishes and we just...
Listen,
one
listen me
little
now.
portion.
My mother cook it with peas and coconut milk.
You just don't like it.
Me never, you can't, she sent me to taste it.
You just don't like
Well,
it.
I know she sent me to taste it then, you know.
Yeah.
And I go and take up and I put it in my mouth, so. Me start vomit.
Alright, me and you share that.
Are you mine, you know? Mine
No,
off
Me,
no.
but,
but
but,
listen
me now.
me tell you the same thing
Yeah,
already
but
to
listen
know.
me now, you
Me
see
not tell you the
pudding?
same thing already, man.
You see pudding?
Yeah.
The pudding
See, me
alright.
fake it off
Me
for
buy
me.
the pudding, it make out a caramel, you know. And me eat the pudding. But me cannot eat the one that
So
turns
Rasta, me
up.
ask you something. Blue jars different from pudding, I said thing.
Blue jars is different from pudding, man. Blue jars are tied in a banana leaf, man. Banana leaf, you deal with blue jars, you know.
So you
With,
like
with potato.
You like the blue jars
Them
business,
blue
eh?
jars, no potato and caramel and everything,
Me
man.
not too like that, no, because I name blue jars.
No, but no jars now put on pan it. A banana leaf a theme jars.
But listen,
A green leaf put on pan it, a banana leaf. Look up that tree. And that a theme jars like in the blue jars. See there? Banana leaf.
But really and truly, it's a green jars.
But it's a green jars. But
Rasta,
I watch
based
them
on
and I
name, me no want it, boy.
And they get the little part on the banana chunk like that.
Like a G-string, you know.
And you tie
I
with the
G-string.
brown one, like them. And no, we not talk about that. We not talk about that part there. A banana, we are talking about the tie thing there. No matter what, bring no blasted G-string in all this. No G.
Well, Rasta, name alone, me no.
No, man, I right. No, you good for you, man. Nothing wrong with it. I make
The
some
name
here
them
one
have to
day.
change. If you make it, you can't name blue jars at the end as well.
not gonna make with carrot.
No, carrot dumpling.
Oh,
Yeah.
you see them do it. Never
Yeah,
I
man.
taste it to them, man.
Carrot and beetroot dumpling, you know?
It's nice,
It's a
man.
nice combination.
You know?
Me never, I never.
It's squiddly.
No, me never test it myself, you know? But me just say the carrot and the beetroot, nice combination.
You have a piece of yam.
Beetroot are strong, something.
Piece of yellow yam.
You
You go have your carrot. Little carrot. Your the sweet potato. And one little bit of caramel. You know? And your vanilla. And them thing there. And
That's
mix
for
up.
blue jars.
That's how, yeah,
But
then.
may I tell you, say it cannot name that way there if you are going to make it.
Well, all right. It's the day when you're going to make it, you're going to make it name green jars. Green jars. Right. No blue jars. You got to be green jars. Because banana leaf, so banana leaf green, so you got the name green jars. Right. Don't worry yourself. I know the care come with, you get the fire just like that.
Yeah.
Hella butter.
I like top.
And hella, hallelujah, upon the top.
Top.
Right. That's what they call it, night, Friday night.
The blue jars. So when I talk about hella butter, I put name I talk about.
Yeah, that's a pudding one.
You see, you don't understand this. Thank God for Mama Cherry. Are you dead for hungry if Mama Cherry never come in your life, you know?
A joke, yo, with the blouse and skirt there, man.
No, me.
You don't get for hungry. Every day, me the man tell when we there on site. A white chef. Then,
Rasta, when you're there on site, man, when you're hungry, take care
No,
of eat anything, you know?
no, sir.
And the cement bag, eat soak and eat
you're
that, man.
mad, man.
Alright.
You see, before 12 o'clock, you pat the pan for a long time. You see, by 12 o'clock, me take off my pot.
You just have to say by 12.
So,
You say,
but that no cook.
That
That no
talk
cook.
about because me did a long time I cook before that time there. When it on the
So if
side.
you go on 12 and come off 12.
You no matter where you can.
12 oh!
to 12 p.m. man.
Yeah, man.
Hours.
Oh, was your hell? Yo, make any boy Amsha, O'Neill, Tata, and then can't tell you.
So long. Oh.
The whole of them can't tell you, man. So when we are cook on site, man. And me a deal with the chef. Every man have them 2 pounds of flour.
So every man can eat 2 pounds of flour?
Then they will like every 2 pounds they say, boy,
You could eat 2
Listen
pounds
me.
of flour?
I joke argument, I didn't tell you where boy. I want to say me one I eat my one 2 pounds of flour.
Remember 2 pounds of flour? You get about roughly about 22.
No, man, we don't make no big dumpling then time there.
No, that's why I say I could get about 22 out of it.
We don't make no big old dumpling, we make some decent flour. I'll 1 dozen dumpling. That have to one.
So
man.
then they're not
So
big then,
some
man.
big old dumpling that
Yeah,
man.
man.
Big then.
Cartwheel.
Yeah.
Cartwheel and Carmel nights, I
All
know
in
say.
there.
Yes, them the serve.
So when you don't eat, you don't do no more work.
No, man,
Work,
that's
I mean,
right.
if we don't no more work, we have to work, man.
So
But
then
then-
time they are carpenter on side said we are you a labourer then time?
A 2 day, me get labor and work on the side for me no
So
man.
how teach you carpentry?
Nobody not teach me, just look and learn.
Yeah, and you tough so?
Me just look and learn, cause the day when the man tell me say, nah, give me no more carpenter, me say, a man named Clarky. We don't Bottom Razor, if you go down Bottom Razor, I drive this.
No bottom for the
You know this way you want to talk about. Down Reservoir.
Yeah, take out the bottom part.
So, the man come Thursday man and said to me, say, boy, the boss say, no more work. For the labourer them. So, for a couple of labourers, I'm going to lay them there. I say, all right.
You say, this side say you
No,
have to
I
learn
know.
a trade now.
No, man, I say, so, I said to him, he said, Dodo, I'll lay you off today until next week, so I'll go. I say, all right, no problem, Clarky. I first me get a day work, you know.
Yeah.
So, me get 1 day upon it with him and work. And the Thursday he come, that are the Wednesday me work. And Thursday morning he come and say, boy, Mr. Ray say, I will lay off some my labourer, Ray. I say, all right. So, I need to sit down and share that reason. I'm saying, Mr. Clarky, you can't let me put up them 2 independent column on this field.
Right name independent column?
Yeah, that way garage there. The man say, you're a madman?
Yeah.
I said, is a madman attack you?
Yeah.
He
So
said,
then you know no knowledge
no
of this.
knowledge, I will me do, but me know what I go do, what I want to do.
Because you don't look on everything
No,
I go on.
no, every night,
Yeah.
before after we go show and come back and we cook and done.
Go which show?
After 3,
That,
Carib,
Yeah.
and then Wodian.
Carib that crossroad back
Yeah.
on.
We got all them show there too. And night and then we come and Wodian. And 3 o'clock we walk from there, so the whole of we come up and
And then work the next morning again.
and work the next man. We never sleep. We play
Yeah.
them till daylight.
Yeah.
I want to my youth. Yeah, people. That's some warm water.
You can't put on warm water, stuff. Cool water, you put on.
Cold water.
You listening me now?
Put them in and let them scala.
They say it off a scala, you can eat it salt.
No, man, I can't eat it. That's too salt, you know? Let's call it off.
One thing I like still in Rasta, it's from my teacher, the cooking. Yeah, improve, you know. Look at Fiddly, all the beetroot, him peel the skin off the little skin.
You see? Yeah. So it's like clean and
Them
nice.
ingredients.
The main ingredients them. Yeah. So you see how I deal with them, clean them up first. Before I start doing nothing. So I don't have no time to go back over them. So
They say
I
wash everything.
wash and everything and dice up, put on one place. That means so when we done, I do all of them are ready.
Yeah.
You see me? You don't have to go back over them thing here.
True, man.
You see, and I blend up season. I cut up where I cut up the season.
So Rasta,
No.
You
see,
ever- listen me now,
if I go now cook today now.
you still at a waste of goat.
Yeah,
thing,
man, I mean go to cook Saturday now and I blend out the way I blend up the season, you know.
Rasta,
I blend up the season and it's
Listen,
packed,
man.
but the people then see.
but Rasta,
Yeah.
you ever eat this carrot and beetroot dumpling yet?
You know, so me go somewhere there and eat it already.
So it did nice?
Yeah, tastes good.
Yeah.
Nah, tell a lie.
Well, today first me I get experience it someone.
And it's a Rasta place, me go to, you know, and the woman introduced me to it, you know. And the woman not Rasta, you know, but the man had Rasta.
Oh, so she live up her life.
Yeah, so she
What make people a Rasta? And I hear pan head make them a Rasta.
Now your heart, man.
A heart.
Yeah, I mean, the cleanness of your heart, man.
That make them a Rasta.
Yeah, I mean, sure say, boy, you live up to the Almighty, you know.
Uh,
The man where live it in you and me and the puppy and the tree they were beer, natural thing. That is the man.
that make you a Rasta.
That make me a Rasta. The man where you got your bed.
The food you eat not define who you
Now
are.
the food you eat not defile you, know, man. And when you talk out of your mouth defile you, know.
Righteousness.
Righteousness. Because if you do wrong, it will always follow you. If you do righteousness, it will follow you. They say do good unto others.
Yes,
and they
sir.
do good
Do
unto
good
you.
and good will follow.
Follow you. Simple as that. Straight. Watch it now. See the people? Wash off my season them, as usual. You don't know so as a Rasta cleanliness is godliness. So, you know, do not know where ungodly. Straight. See? Clean up my thing them first. Wash them off. Put them in the next thing. You see it? Clean.
See, sir, flour needing time right now.
No, I take off the pot with the thing, with the red herring.
Yeah.
And put the red herring to go and cool in some water.
Yeah.
You soak out and put on some more water to go and deal with the flour.
Yeah.
Right. Give people my garlic and my thing them.
Yeah.
And my pepper. Everything that's ready, people.
Yeah.
Alright. You see that, people? So when I'm going to need the flour, I telling you before, when I'm going to need the flour, I throw in the flour, and I'm going to grater in them and find the flour. I'm grater in this, and I'm grater in this. See that?
So you can grate and piece of pepper too.
No,
It's
pepper.
spicy and
No,
nice.
pepper can't go in my flour. This and this are going to go in that.
Cook a pot of pepper dumpling, one
This
idea.
and this are going to work
that's
with
a hard
this.
feat, isn't
See
it?
the people? And so Rasta work today now. This and this. My ingredients in my flour. Mad. So I tell them, Rastafari, Selassie, big up every time. See it there?
Yeah, people, we'll get the plaster flour ready.
This plaster flour. Hey, that little boy, hey. You wanna think how you do it, I this, you know?
Rasta like it alright in mind, said we, you know.
Team plaster flour and do it,
Yeah,
I.
alright in mind.
No, I think how I do where you do feel like a plaster flour. This is no plaster flour.
Plaster carrot dumpling.
I think you want to call it. Just watch your Rasta do.
Yeah.
See? You just watch.
Yeah.
And learn today.
And I'm big head today.
Now you're big head today. Because no plaster go on so today. Watch this. Ram goat can't cut up. Ram goat can't cut up.
Never say ram goat, that's a meat overall.
No,
Remember
man.
time to come here don't eat meat, that's
No,
straight
man,
leaf.
no, man, you can't done with that. Cannot done with that. That grow me, that'll bring me. See me until now. When the man go down, when that man grow on when you know?
Yeah, you go somewhere.
We go somewhere.
Yeah.
And a ram goat soup the man. And me go the man say, yo Rasta, see ram goat soup on the fire there, you know. Hot see you, you know. He say, what you say?
So how much you drink? About 2?
3 pounds. Ask him.
So no curry goat never there.
Yeah, man. But we no wait for that.
Alright, never ready yet.
Yeah.
Is it ready?
Ready. I was
So what was the hold up? Don't you say no wait for
No,
it?
why? No, we did and damn no tell hours and
Oh, they not share that yet?
no.
No.
They eat already, man. But them like the rice is done and the next man a cook rice.
oh.
So when the woman go check the rice tough like stone.
Cut.
Tough like stone.
Yeah, cut.
Come on, look there. See there, everything come out.
Why?
Watch this.
Dumpling are going to come out colourful.
Pretty.
But I'll wait for the final taste to know if it's
Alright,
tasteful.
I give him an early score. Rasta. Out of 1 to 10.
Yeah,
Keep
Rasta.
this come on, your people in here with me.
No man, this have the greater have to beat tonight. See the people like greater. Make it make the night, make
You
it
don't want to
bad.
get the first
I'm
score.
natural greater this way do. For original days I make you know. See there?
Are you building Rasta?
Yeah man.
Anyways, out of 1 to 10. Based on the looks and preparations so far.
It ready.
No, I'm going to give 1 3.
Yeah, lead that. See 3 them there. Be a 3 round way.
And them 3 them matter.
Yeah, them 3 them matter. Be a 3 them round way already and matter.
Look
about
lovely,
three.
look lovely.
Can't do number
Rasta,
3.
I forget a 3 until the tasting part come. We give a final, oh my son.
You so see final. Final and now your belly.
Yeah.
Remember me tell you
Think a
that.
race
Final
around, no
destination.
Final destination and it's your belly.
But-
I just say I got to the approval of it.
No, you know I'm not going to tell no life. A 0
No.
a 0 if I
Well,
won,
you
I
keep-
won.
But Rasta
But me
now
feel-
give us 0.
No, you pass 0 stage now. 'Cause remember we are
Because
bringing
I
now.
remember, say, look at now. Me great at me carrot a while ago. And me great at me
Beetroot.
beetroot.
Yeah.
See? And me chewing me cornmeal.
Yeah.
Mix up everybody. Me chewing like a salt. Mix up everybody. Me no do like squiddly. We use mama big spoon and the pan.
Yeah.
I'm chewing me water now.
Yeah.
But a bigger bowl of you. Look, you know. And me not spoil that.
A bigger bowl than you.
Bigger bowl of you.
And to come close to see it to Rasta.
Me I make all the yellow bowl in front type, see there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, color forward in the rasta.
Color forward already in a squidly.
Yeah. See you right there. If it left shakes every time you sit down play on it, you get shaky rasta.
Why?
Based on what you do.
Okay, nerve one. And I'm one he did it.
Mm-hmm.
You just don't need this, you know. Watch out. Watch out. You can't fling it all pan him, you know. Look here. Look here. Look how me have it. Look at people. See there?
Yo, my waist this up.
See the
My
people?
waist this.
We do it ready. See it there? A flour.
This right name rasta?
Flour, cornmeal, carrot and beetroot.
Yeah.
So 4 ingredients today. So that's why it look like this. So
Look good though, rasta.
look good. This is a look where you never see before with flour and cornmeal and beetroot and carrot.
Yeah.
See it? Rasta world today. So we have time to pot cover for Yako. Ayako.
Bubbling.
Eat the people.
So make it rasta. Make it flow them off fire is ugly, sir, man.
With them a flour ugly. What you want?
I'm big, sir.
So you want a little on this?
Yeah, but
no, man.
they flow into ugly, man. Shemar, them pretty.
Why? Be one them. So no one no for flour.
Flow into ugly, man.
I can't make them little beanie something, man. I'm not used to them things.
They used to use side flow them.
You see side floor for a boy
I
idea.
like the color them still.
Yeah, they call it red.
I'm not red.
Purple.
I'm not purple this.
What you call this?
Yeah?
Tie and dye.
And flour rasta make take too much energy out of you for them, man.
Yeah, wicked, man. When you take out 1, 2 fiddle and feel you can complete it. By the time you reach
makes
1,
sense.
you say, John.
All the jaws start lock up on you, man.
You call it real need.
I don't need. They're too big.
Then a big, you know,
Pot colorful already, man.
Sure, look. They say a little gliss up on top.
I tell you.
Where you take out the carrot from? I know you don't like carrot. Where you take out the carrot
green
out
piece of green piece of carrot.
Almost the one of the prettiest dumpling that Mr. Rasta roll.
What fear they never look so.
Yeah, you mean?
Rasta, so one big fly.
My dumpling them they
my
pretty
one.
like flowers.
Jesus Christ.
Jeez, watch out people.
I want
Can't
flower.
read
No,
this.
man.
Watch it, the man wicked.
I want flower.
No, I not make one flower with that. I could have, it couldn't hold an iPad.
I want you to get today. No?
What?
That one big
That
one.
one there alone.
I'll make it then. No?
No, I not make it.
Boy, Rasta, not even bubbles in a pot.
Yeah, man.
Like, nobody believe in you today. No, man.
Joke here again, man. Know yourself. Bubbles in the iPad. You see, you must say you just throwing the coal in there, you know. Right. You never have a piece of yam today in the iPad, but a flour Irish today, people.
You don't have yam in a pot.
Yeah, you should have caps and yellow yam come, man.
Something big
I'm
piece
going
of
to
yam.
dig piece out of farm.
Maybe have big farm, you know.
I know, man. I tried.
You're afraid cherry about your fears today.
I should have tell him, say, how your boss is sitting there? Right here.
Boss for what?
English.
I'm asking boss, how me boss?
So you know, say you.
Me say, me?
That you say?
Me say, yeah. Me say, me don't know nothing about it.
So Rasta. What you know? So if you left your bone in there, you're going to suck pan.
So, yo, you must, yo, yeah, when coming, this boy I could like he's a madman, this man. But if you left bone already to go and suck pan. Must think it's a breast. Yeah, the breast is suck pan, man. Not this man, you can't suck pan already. Look how they look up, them bone are fine. You see it? I pick them out. Just come like some saltfish, you know, you get saltfish, you know.
But Rasta, this have more bone than saltfish.
Yeah, because them are fine, huh? You see it? Look how they stay. And no people just fry up nice and make it
deeper bone.
Bone night, and when you look at them, just skin up in there. It don't look good.
Can't look good.
No, sir.
You can't swallow them neither. Choke
Yeah.
you know.
You have to pick them up.
Can't enjoy your meal.
Can't enjoy your meal.
Every spoon you take, you
Yeah, joke
a
thing.
spit.
Joke. Yeah.
Me no say you're not going to see 1 and 2 in there. No.
But if you take out more side, we can,
All the way you can see.
Yeah, it's deal with it.
You clean them off and dry them out. Because them fine. See them there? Look, them fine people.
Like
So
a year.
Like a, yes. No, so I'll suddenly go. See there? Someone know why they left them in there. That can't left in there, man.
Oh, your skills are Rasta.
Why they tell the people and say you love it very much.
Watch it. You don't want to leave it.
I want to go so I'm going to leave it. So I just want to leave it.
You can't even hear what you say.
Yeah, look how now, on the around, I don't want like this people, see eh? You talk to the key and you leave the green and see you see eh? Man. Yeah, so that boy, you know, easy, you know. See, people have to take a shot for and give me no get no shot. You have to hold it like it.
I was afraid that you have to take a shot. He's off a cool and
Rain
flow.
a fall and now, you know, so we have to take a shot.
Yeah. That is it.
That is it.
Rasta,
Yeah.
actually, they get 2 spoons in that pot party, you know?
You're really welcome, man. You can taste it, man.
Yeah, man, see where you're going with. Feed liver drink anything yet?
You have a well lot in it, so make sure.
Yeah,
Bring it up, so.
2 little spoons in there. Yeah, tell you where you're short of, you know?
There's a look at them cook already, don't you?
Yeah, look at it, it's ready, what that.
Everything
That one then they're ready and mellow, Rasta.
Ready, mellow, and ugly.
Yes, they are. What a tough feed, you know it, huh?
Oh.
You see if you get a 1 green pepper in them now?
Who tell you?
See the deal.
That you need in it.
Yeah, 1 green pepper in this pot.
So me have a split back of maize and I don't know where they're from.
The last it.
Last.
Good thing that, man.
You mad?
Sorry, the air with me.
I'm speaking of you and I be last.
Rasta, Jesus Christ. So much oil?
Yeah, eat that. Where you at this?
Come on.
Eh?
You know where I'm going to start then? We're going to start with Rasta little island, little something about so, and give me a few at the time.
Yeah,
So
man.
not care oil cup.
Yeah.
Nobody care them, look at a quart.
Yeah.
No, man.
Yeah,
You say bigger one, you want?
bigger one more, so when we can't show to a quart, it better script type or tight and more. Like. When a little sitting and no care come. Where that is? More oil. You see? Now look there. Look in iPad. That them cover iPad bottom.
You're
Look
going to
there.
start bag out the oil in a
Bag
some
out
3
the
by
side.
7
Bag
bag.
all over here. You bring that. You better go for bag with that the oil. No bag of oil. A quarter say. A quarter rum. Alright. Yeah. Quarter oil, quarter rum. Tell them. I don't know. If me one can't drink it out here, me know me have a parent pad out
We
here.
drink what the hell? Yeah.
The rum. You know me have a parent pad out here and me can't beat it.
Oh.
Peter.
Peeler.
Peeler. What you mean? But Peter, nah, back now when me say come in is a quart to get. Mash it up, Peter. What you mean with General? Subscribe. One love the General. Up and run because we know say you are. Thing are nice today.
Alright, you throw in, Rasta. It's a rosemary.
The secret ingredient, rosemary.
That's your secret ingredient
Yeah.
today. So you never put no butter in
No
this
butter
today?
in this today.
Oh.
Rasta, what you feel? You feel every day butter use?
And every day we use butter, you not slide down the butter today.
You say butter make the food slide down better?
Yeah, but we not put with no butter today.
Yeah.
Just natural thing we are work out today and make it thing nice.
Alright,
Natural ingredient.
that is it.
That is it. People, we not get a tomato market to buy $1,300 for 1 pound of tomato. And we can't afford it. $1,300 for 1 pound of tomato if farmer then wicked.
But Rasta said this, wait, you throw the black pepper in that.
Everything mix in this and then we are going to deal with everything. Yeah, use little ketchup on it today, people. Little ketchup, that's it. Tomato.
You see, you don't have no flavor in the hands, you have to use the ketchup to the Rasta.
No, the flavor in it.
You know, real Rasta, I don't know real Rasta use no ketchup.
Well, me know I none. I wouldn't tell me so no I use.
Do not tell you that.
We tell you that? Jesus Christ.
Count you not
No,
get
no
nothing.
ketchup. No ketchup. Natural.
You see some people that cook curry and put ketchup in it.
You have Rasta, no madness that.
Curry, how for curry going to ketchup, man?
Rasta.
Ketchup in a curry.
Rasta. You smell this. Jesus Christ.
Yes,
I
man.
say smell something.
What? Smell it.
Rasta not smell it.
Yes, I know both say no smell it.
You not smelling this, let's smell it. Me ingredients.
Yeah,
Me ingredients them bad.
Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. See this? The pot portal in today.
But can move heavy out.
Anyway,
people.
man.
Any right here, sir.
Right, I say want it?
Right now, son.
No man, back on the rightful spot, man.
Alright, come then, no?
Yeah.
People are ball out saying they want it, that's why it's too bright.
Son about him.
So that bunny. Come, see,
Slavery done, you know.
Yeah. This is it.
ready, we now go in now.
Rasta mellow, you know? Mellow.
Smell mellow too.
Only tomato we shot.
Ain't no shot, because we still have to deal with it.
Yeah,
No
tough
shot
for
and
consumers it
nothing,
is.
son.
How much no shot at the red?
The red?
Yeah,
Not
tomato.
red in the flour, man.
No, yeah, but the red, green and gold in the pattern that make it look more
Rasta, but
nicer.
you have red, green, and gold, and be a me say it.
I want here.
I'm if you have red, green,
The
and
color
gold.
now nothing to do with me. Yeah,
Rasta, you don't eat more vegetable more than you, man.
that have me no be you can't tell me that.
Alright.
Me need more meat more yo.
You know.
Alright, man, a ball ball little high. Look like you see any island there now?
Who with that ball? Who with that ball?
Yo!
Me.
Yes, and him and them say look on the people.
After you say it's a quarter
That's
high
a quack. Then when I say a quack, me want to
You
use.
mad, Rasta. Time to come down. None of we are going to doctor say, boy, we black up in the man.
But we not black up in nothing.
So, the right thing, though. The people, they still are you don't fiddle.
I don't lie.
No wrong.
A natural thing we use in a
Yes,
people.
breadfruit leaf.
Breadfruit fruit tip to that with this stuff.
But you say natural first with a sauce on.
Yeah, idiot.
That more natural.
No, yeah, breadfruit is a natural thing, though. Come off a fruit it tree. But you want me use the sauce on, so when me go say fry off pan, it fry. Those people, wicked boy. See people?
Oh, 2 share index.
Yes, that's done. We see what going on.
Right there.
Wow.
Yeah, people. Less oil today.
We have the oil before.
Not now
You
this.
think I'll mind this?
You know, goat.
Now goat. Not even in I goat you don't get nothing like that.
No,
You
you know
just eat the goat with the rice and peas. And you prescribe and say, boy, Rasta, you not telling like that goat and the rice and peas. Mad that day there. Yeah, watch it now. Watch it. It's still
Yeah,
on
man,
your
we
foot.
see it.
Now carrying this one now.
So, you say, you want a napkin?
No, no napkin now. We can't hold this
Oh,
one.
Rasta. But they're cool.
Come in the rest of me to see this thing here.
Show them how go on.
Yo, people, now make sure you look on this thing now. Because the real flour we cook today. No. Flour, cornmeal, carrot, and beetroot. See the color right here?
Wow, you know, wow, like when you want to go to pot.
Wow! My God!
Oh, Rasta,
Delicious.
Colorful.
Yeah, wait for
Colorful.
When
This
you
one-
say look good, what do you mean? The color.
The color?
Where are you
So
put
now
that?
must that look good when it look good.
And
Rasta,
then
when it
dumpling a
look good,
ugly
now
like,
must
then dumpling a ugly like sin.
Come here, miss. Come here.
But the color look right though, Rasta.
Colour
But then
up and
ugly
round.
though.
Yeah,
They
they
can't,
ugly, man.
nothing can ugly in iPad.
Shemar, you're ugly for real, man.
I must see your face ugly. Yeah, look at Martel face. You see my laugh? I'm ugly now. I saw you laugh. How to I'm ugly now? When food like food can't ugly. Let me tell you that food can't ugly. One love. Prescribe people. Rastafari.
That is it.
And love. Straight. Up and running. Straight.
I want to try ugly for you.
If you want to put all of them on my plate, nothing wrong now, so nobody eat
Did
them.
okay.
Give them a close up.
Yeah, man, ugly, man. What give it?
Ugly, put them on my one.
So now you have to get that one, yeah.
Big basin.
Yeah, you have to get that one, yeah,
Give
man.
them. All the ugly one then, give me them.
It's
All of them ugly, so all of them you want.
I entire part that then.
Cause all of them ugly. You know, see none of them look more different one now.
They ugly, man. We say all of them ugly. You admit it now.
Yeah, well, how kind of flour we cook?
Ugly flower.
Yeah,
Flower for pretty like flowers.
Ugly
You never
flower.
see no flower pretty like flowers.
Ugly flower.
Where ever go see flower pretty like flowers? Squiddy, tell me. Martel, tell me.
I don't see none of them the free rasta.
But this is when I say flower for pretty like flowers. Flower for just stay like flower. Anyway, you get the flower, you eat it. As long as you cook.
Cut him up and deal with him.
Cut him up and deal it and swallow him. Yeah.
Devour. They say devour him, rasta.
Yeah, as long as you cook in a pot already. See there? Ready, people. Mad. Look there.
Them flower look like something will come in Stranger Things.
No.
When him so.
Them know the series, man.
People are the
Yes,
natural
definitely.
ingredients we use today. The carrot and the red one name, huh?
Beetroot.
Beetroot. And the gold dust.
Oh.
And the white one. White powder. That means you know say the flour. The gold dust are the cornmeal. You don't know that already, people. So the gold dust are the cornmeal. And the white one
Yeah.
are high flour.
Right. Government what reproof and just say flower. Nobody
No,
say
man,
no
like
white dust.
White
Yeah, I
dust.
feel like say.
You know when I use the part of word, the part I want with the water.
feel like say
Tell him so
I'm
don't
confused.
think that way. It's the white flour we're talking about. What get more flour? That is fit in my
more,
plate, man. Wow!
Yes, the floor make your ball out. Wow.
Wow! My God! Today,
You win today.
win today.
Bingo.
Bingo! Bingo, Rasta, bingo.
Yeah.
Slippers pop up, one time.
On this, like Rasta bite, this phone put in a
Which
pot.
one? The floor. Yeah.
Yeah, Rasta. Yes, Mama, big spoon you use tear down your own today.
No Rasta.
You can't wait for the fart
Ah,
them.
all this. Be civilized.
Man could wait for the
Be
fart them, boy.
civilized. Fiddly. You want my... Alright. Test the one first. Say it ugly. Deal with it.
Me no cook nothing ugly. So you can't chat Pete and chat foolish down there.
Rasta. You know one thing you get today? First me give you 110 though.
First you give me 110, that
Yeah,
me say you
that
should
for sure say it go on good today.
That me say at 20 you should have go, you should have stop at 10.
It bad
Eh?
man.
That one you taste.
Ah! Go!
Yes, sir, Mama.
That one you taste nice.
Alright, see, this is
You
something
know,
I like
you
about
know,
people.
this purple grain of susumba.
Yes, sir, this nice.
Alright.
Alright, Mama
Fiddly.
said. So
This
that
is I
means
wasn't telling a lie.
yeah, man.
110 me I give today. Yeah,
Yo.
give me a big spoon, please.
Don't you just fight me one spoon though.
Give me a big spoon. I use a fork. And give people here in
No, my interaction with my spoon, I'm the work with it. This?
Baby.
Yeah. Tell them I go on now, Rasta.
Paper. I supposed to do that one now. I'm not telling a lie.
You not taste the about you not telling a lie? A lie I go
There's
tell.
a line
You
ready
can't
for
a
tell.
lie.
The food nice when the same way when I eat that tasty dumpling a while ago. You did blind, brother. I make the
Oh,
camera.
yeah, see evidence upon him mouth.
See there? See there, there's upon my mouth. See there? See there? See there? Up. I'm telling up. Up. Mad.
Mad.
Yes, I fiddly. Ready to give them your earpiece? I am going to finish all the package.
Come on, no
Leave
go
me,
and do
leave me.
what I do, man.
Leave me, I was young and quack my word.
You
What
say
me
I
leaving?
cock your 10.
Cut
Alright,
me
then my
40.
boss.
40, I got cack now.
You see when man I use wash down in dumpling? Special. Jamaican bad boy.
Fiddly.
Yeah, I mean you do that, sir? Oh, alright people, you see it? Dumpling, then colorful man, rich in color and everything. I test it now.
You said this one with the one some susumba.
Dodo. I second 10 this me I give. I give you a 10 already.
So the first 10 was for what?
The soup. Soup was the first 10. This go on good, man. Let's see Irish and some of this are ready in here now. I know that 10. I want to tell people. Go on good. Nah, tell me no lie. Go on good today.
Go on well.
You don't know reach the end of the day. Rain give you a break. I tell you to catch up on the next epic adventure. Respect. Like, comment, share, subscribe.